Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Iman. If you're new, welcome. And thank you to the new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. And I do appreciate all of the comments and the suggestions. And I have taken those suggestions to heart. So I really appreciate it and thank you so much. Now today, first of all, I have to address this, the eye. I have had this situation going on and off since the end of January. And I don't know how or where I got this. It was a sty at first, but anyway, it's gross. But anyway, I've been dealing with it. And so please excuse this. It's getting better. Actually, it looks a lot better than it used to. So today I'm going to try this new place that's near me. It's called Fetch, and it is a thrift store. And basically what they do is any proceeds that they earn from the sales, they support I think the Humane Society or foundations that help animals. So today, let's go in there. Let's see if we can find anything. First of all, I hope that they'll let me record. If not, I'm sorry, but I will have another little video from when I went to Salvation Army not too long ago. But let's see if they will, and let's see what we can find. Let's go. Okay, we just made it to Fetch, and it is packed. This place is always packed, like always. So, I mean, there's a lot of cars here, so we'll see if the cars match the amount of people that are in there. Okay, I just left and that place is so cute. It is jam-packed. I did ask the owner or somebody who was working there if I could record, and she said absolutely, please do. So it is a thrift shop called Fetch. It's a nonprofit for animal rescue. And as you walk in on your right-hand side, they do have a little room where they have cats there, and somebody is taking care of the cats, like making sure that they are, they're petting them and they're fed, and it's just the cutest little store. They've got so much stuff, and they have a lot of, sorry, it's a beautiful windy day today. They have a lot of clothes, home goods, a lot of pictures, frames, housewares, and knickknacks. So I hope if you're in the Frederick area, you get a chance to stop by. It is on Rosemont Avenue in Frederick, Maryland.